When it comes to being a leader and becoming a person of influence, now you become super valuable in the marketplace. Okay? I've had companies offer me crazy amounts of salaries to go work for them. I've had equity ownership offered to me. I have friends that call me and say, yo, Mike, could you come work with us? I'll give you equity of the company. Literally. I have people that call me, they want to give me a part ownership of their fucking company they built from scratch. Why is that? Not because of my sales skills. They can hire a sales guy at that. Everything rises and falls on leadership. If you do not have a great leader, I don't care about the product. You have the best fucking product in the world. A bad leader will destroy that company. You can have a shittiest product. With a great leader, that fucking company will grow like crazy. Eventually, their product will become great. Because a good leader will say, you know what, we need to change this product. The customers are not too happy with this shit. We need to change this, we need to change that. Everything rises and falls on leadership. So what I want you guys to do, and what we're doing here is teaching you guys how to what? How to think like a fucking leader. Salesmanship is easy. You'll go through my course, you'll fucking become a monster. I know, 100%. True or not true? Okay, you guys have access to that. Some of you guys. Okay, when you guys start selling water and solar, you will have access to that. Okay? You will learn how to be a fucking assassin. Are you born a leader? No, leaders are not born. This is not fucking ants where they fucking say, here, you're a fucking miner and you're a doctor. No. You can become a leader as long as you learn the skill set. With the right mindset and the right skill set and the proper tool set, you will become a great leader. And you'll be set. That's my boy. Okay? But it takes a little bit of time and effort, right? But can you imagine this? Can you imagine this? How many guys started reading books because you started working here? Okay, 1, 2, 3. How many guys read books before this, like actual self-positive books before this? Awesome, okay, awesome. You now are reading books. How many books have you read so far? October. So you just started, okay? Now you're getting into the habit of what? Reading and learning and growing and investing in yourself. You messaged me yesterday, hey, what book should I read? Right? I was busy all day. I didn't get a chance to answer your phone call, but I messaged you back, say, hey, read this book, read that book. Right? And the first thing you did was what? You took what? Action. He didn't say, oh, okay, and then wait till Tuesday to buy the book. He bought the fucking book, right or wrong? You started implementing right there. How's the book, by the way? It's really fucking good. How do I know that? Because I fucking read it multiple fucking times. So you asked me, I want to learn this skill set. Read this fucking book. You understand? But you have to invest in yourself. And being patient, as a matter of fact, was one of the hardest. It was so hard for me because the first person I had to be patient with was with myself. I know I'm not a doctor. But you have to have a lot of patience, though. Right? So it was very important for me. You got it right now. Whoo! Just hit him. Harry! Marv! Right? So it's very important to understand. You have to learn little by little, you'll get better and better and better. But you guys are taking the first initiative step, which is educating yourself and getting that skill set, getting that mindset. Being a leader, that's where the money is at. It's not in the salesperson. Will you make a lot of money in sales here? Yes. How much can you make in sales? 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 7,000, even 10,000 a week here, right? Depending on the product you sell. But will that pay you forever? No, it's all based on what? Transaction. You go hustle, you make money. You don't hustle, you don't make any money. When it comes to being a leader and becoming a person of influence, now you become super valuable in the marketplace. Okay? I've had companies offer me crazy amounts of salaries to go work for them. I've had equity ownership offered to me. I have friends that call me and say, yo, Mike, could you come work with us? I'll give you equity of the company. Literally. I have people that call me, they want to give me a part ownership of their fucking company they built from scratch. Why is that? Not because of my sales skills. They can hire a sales guy at that. Because of my leadership skills. Because they know that if they hire me, their company will fucking grow. Because I know what to do to grow the company. You understand what I'm saying? There's other skill sets, of course, that I have as well. But the main skill set I would say that really fucking helped me and changed my life was leadership. How the hell do you build a company with employees if you don't have good leadership skills? You can't. It doesn't work. So you have to be a good leader. And do you think I fucked up, guys? A lot. Absolutely. Do you think I messed up a lot? Absolutely. It's part of the game. It's part of the fucking game. But every day, I'm getting better and better and better and better, reading this book, listening to this audio, this podcast, this event, learning, making a mistake, oops, sorry, I apologize, learn, be patient, be aggressive, all those things combined makes me every single day become a better me. And that's how you become a better leader. Does that make sense? So where are you guys going to focus on, sales or leadership? So now, who do you need to lead? Who do you need to lead right now? Yourself. Lead yourself. Listen, Give yourself 6 months to a year of just focusing on leadership. Of course, focus on sales, but focus on this. I'm telling you guys will be, you'll be like, Michael, you have no idea, man. Thank you so much for making me making me think like a fucking leader, because that's where the money's at. Okay, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. If you love this kind of content, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.